What's still needed is that parents and teachers together need to take the time to build up the social and emotional skills, just as they would with an academic subject like math or language. Empathy is not easy, but we must practice on it and create more empathic future leaders. So Pepe Pants is here to inspire something deeper.